I mean, I think everyone kind of fell into the same narrative as I said before. I mean, that, inflation's up, rates are up. That means the end of fun times for everybody, and things are going to, head down pretty quickly. And that just hasn't been the case. I mean, the consumers are really resilient. Yes, housing prices are starting to head down. But the rest of the economy really isn't cooling off. And people at the local levels, most people aren't experiencing the beginnings of a recession. I think we're seeing that in consumer spending. Consumers are usually pretty nimble when they do start to see, a lot of, layoffs around all their friends. They stop spending as much, and it just isn't happening. So I think I think when you ask, manufacturer indices and, those people who procrastinate the future, they're just doing what they've always seen. Rates are high. We've got to see a slowdown coming. But consumers really haven't gotten that message, and they're continuing to spend, and they're continuing to take vacations and do all the things that keep the economy humming.
So, David, what would you say about this rally we're seeing? Is it sustainable, or is it just a bear market rally?
I do think the recession's coming. I'm a little more optimistic after today that it won't be quite as severe a recession as an 08 recession or a major recession. But I do think we're overdue. Yes, consumers have been pretty resilient. That's always kind of the case until it isn't. I think the fact that the Fed's actions are having such a slow effect doesn't mean cumulatively they won't eventually have a major effect. And I think it's just going to take a little longer than the Fed would like.
由 CoinDesk 主办的 Consensus 共识大会将于4月26号到28号在德克萨斯奥斯汀举行。专属 CoinDesk 中文社区的新年福利来了，输入折扣码大写的 Lunar New Year， 折扣高达 50%。活动于美国中部时间2月13号晚12点结束，赶快注册，尽享超低5折哦！